Hi, my name is Marie and I'm a museum educator at Crystal Bridges. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a self-portrait, or picture of yourself, using words that describe you. This project is inspired by Neri Ward's We the People, which you learned about in the previous video.
You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to.
First, grab these materials from the My Museum kit: drawing paper, crayons, and a pen. Before you begin this project, let's talk about the paper types in your kit. For this project, you'll need the thin, white paper. Don't use the thick textured white paper. That will be for your next project. To start off, use as many crayon colors as you want to decorate your thin white paper. Make sure to color the majority of the paper, pushing down hard with your crayons. Once your white paper is completely colored, take a moment to think about some words that describe who you are. On another sheet of paper, write down those words. What makes you who you are? Place your colored sheet aside. Take a new piece of thin white paper and place it down on your workspace. Place your colored sheet on top of this blank white paper. Make sure to keep the two papers in place. Don't let them move around. Begin to draw a portrait or picture of yourself. Push down hard with your pen. Once you have drawn the image of yourself, fill up the blank spaces with words you wrote down that describe you. You can draw a few decorations as well. Once you feel you are done with your drawing, lift up the top piece of paper and look at the back. See how the crayon moved from one paper to the other when you drew on top of it. Admire your awesome word portrait. When you're done, make sure to clean up your space and put any unused supplies back into your My Museum kit. Thanks so much for making art with me today.
With an adult's permission, take a photo or two of your completed art project and post it on social media with the hashtag MyMuseumKit. Enjoy exploring!